Hi, I'm Marco from USC Solutions, and I'd like to share with you a little bit more information about our latest range of UV printers from Mutoh. What is UV printing? So UV printing is a type of printing method that allows the ink to dry on a variety of different surfaces that not necessarily have to be coated. Upon contact with the surface, UV inks will dry instantly using infrared light. So what does that allow you to do? Basically, you can print on almost anything. There are two versions of these machines. The first one is the A3 size, and the second one is the A2 size. So depending on your needs, we have two different types of machines for you. To tell you a little bit more about and give you real examples, I'll invite you to come a bit closer so you can take a look at what UV printing can do. So on this side, if you intend to start your own business, printing and producing gift items, souvenirs, even canvas prints, you are able to do that quite easily with the Mutoh machine. Now, if you notice that this is not just about printing on a particular surface, what UV printing does is it works in layers. So if you'd like to replicate, let's say, the texture of this oil painting, you can do that with our software and our technology. There are other examples here that will allow you to print on substrates like wood. So it's great for like selling online or having a little store. It does gifts and souvenirs for Etsy and things like that. So you can print as you need and then list it online and have your own little business producing highly customized items. To give you further examples of what the print bed looks like, since I said it was a flatbed, basically we'll place your items on this bed itself and then start the printing process. So if you take an example of this card over here, it's a plastic card, but at certain angles you can see where we applied gloss and varnish effects that allow you to feel a texture on top of this thing. So the idea behind UV printing is to produce short run but highly customized items that you could sell and that don't necessarily have to go through a laborious MOQ process or MOQ requirements. You can just print what you need when you need it, and it opens up a lot of possibilities for creating new business ideas. Some of our clients are using these machines to print directly onto Legos, produce the inner watch face of watches and customize them and sell them at a premium because it's unique and something that connects with your customer. So if you'd like to see more about the UV printers that we have on display, come on down to IPMEX and we'll tell you a lot more in detail about our machines.